This is Sammy Design. So today I'll be sharing with you, and we will be discussing the principles of design. Yeah, many people have forgotten that there is principles behind this graphic design. Yeah, there's principles, and we have to make use of the principles. Principles is principles. Many people have forgotten there's a basic. Yeah. Now design, there is principles, leave it or take it, there's principles. So I'll be showing you the principles we have in designs. Yeah. So it's like I've been talking too much. Let's go straight. So this is my pixel app interface. So I come to my color. What is my color? Let's change it to something. So in a design, there's principles. The first principle is alignment. Alignment. What is alignment? Alignment is making your text, your layout to be well aligned. And we have three types of alignment. We have left side alignment, right side alignment, and we have central alignment. So this is the this is the left side alignment. Can you see? This is the left side alignment. You can see? Yeah. So when you're placing your text, you must follow this grid line. And that's the reason why we have this grid line in our pixel app. Can you see? Can you see what I'm touching? Can you see? That's the reason why we have it. We have this grid line. So let me write alignment. Copy. White space. You see? Listen. Can you see they are well aligned? You can zoom it and check very well. Can you see? So, alignment is one of the principles of design. So the second one I'll be sharing with us is hierarchy, or emphasize hierarchy. Hierarchy. What is hierarchy? Let me include my padding. So what is hierarchy? For instance, you want to write time to go. Loss of friction. You make the hierarchy, the one you want people to see that okay, this is the reason why I'm doing this flyer. Time to go. Or let's change it to the loyal. I want people to see that okay, this is the reason why. Like okay, for instance, you have a novel. In front of the novel, we see the title of the novel. well bold and well seen. They can't just write the title of the novel like this, like Rich Dad. Oh God, written by one people know them. Who wrote it? Robert Kiyosaki. So, like, okay, this is the hierarchy, and you place the hierarchy here. When you're writing chapter one, like, okay, for instance, this is where it's chapter one, chapter two. No, this one. Chapter one, chapter two. When you're writing it, and the hierarchy is very okay, even though it's not here, maybe it's here. Like the topic, the title of the novel is very small, and the chapter is like this. They won't know what you are emphasizing. If you are emphasizing the chapter or the rich dad, poor dad. Hope you get. That's the second principle. And the third principle, white space. Yeah, white space. White space. What is white space? What is white space? White space is giving your words, your layout, your words, your shape, giving them space. Okay, I wrote white space, a copy. What should I write again? Typography. Write like this. There's no white space there. Like, it will be very hard for people to read and see. Listen. Okay, I write something again. Let me footstep. Okay, write something like this. It will be very hard for people to see. Oh, like my text is like this. My text is like this. Can you see? I can't really read it. Why space? I'm even stressing my face. So you should be very careful with the principles. I've mentioned alignment, hierarchy, white space. Okay. Next one we have contrast. Now contract. Yeah. Contract. What is contract? What is contract? Contrast is okay. When we have a light, a shiny place or a shiny background, the text that will be right on it or that will be used on it will be dark soft. Can you see? For instance, my background is black. If let me change the color of this to brown. You see, you won't be able to see. Okay, actually, you don't even know there's something there. That's what they call contrast. Can you see? Like, what's this? But when I change it to white, or something shiny like yellow, like see this, like this. Can you see? You can see it. When I change it to white, can you see? You can see. Oh, I can see the road contrast there. But when you change to black, no one can say that there's something here because you can change to brown. system designed to protect most of. Can you see? It's not really giving this. That's what they call contract. And in design, yeah, in contract. Seriously. And let me tell you guys this stuff. In a design, in any design, flyer design, yeah, don't use more than three color. Three color. You're using, white and black. That one is general. But when you're using yellow, green, blue, everything, black, second color, blah 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 blah, it won't give your designs. The design will look quack. It won't be good. Can you see the contrast is really affecting? So, let me know your view and what you've learned and what you've gained from this video by the comment section below. Let me know your view and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Subscribe, like, and turn on the notification bell so anytime we drop a new video, you'll be the first person to get notified. Thank you.